Every citizen watch is intricately designed, and when pen leaves paper, the materials chosen will truly define what is created. A watch you can rely on, whatever you may do. Strong enough to resist scratching and allow you to keep going without worry. A watch 5 times harder than stainless steel. Created with your well-being in mind. Hypoallergenic, so you and those you care about can share every moment without a second thought. Built to ensure you can go wherever, whenever, without your watch tarnishing. Precision timepieces 40% lighter than stainless steel, providing unencumbered movement, whatever you do. Resistant to scratches, hypoallergenic, resistant to corrosion, and lightweight. Citizen Super Titanium. Titanium, originally soft and difficult to handle, transformed through Citizen's manufacturing technology. Complex and delicate processing for precise edges. With the fine skills of experienced artisans, not only is innovative Super Titanium strong, but also beautiful. Utilizing Citizen's original surface hardening techniques, creating a metal resistant to scratches with 5 times the hardness of stainless steel. And with color and brilliance that was once difficult to create. Watches have reached a new potential. The same material that took man on his greatest journey, ready to support you on yours. Since its groundbreaking introduction in 1970, Super Titanium has continued to evolve. And who knows what the future will bring? With each new day comes the potential to start something better.